Let's cook. I think of pancakes as sweet and maple syrupy. Then I heard about savory pancakes and fell in love. Let's make 4 versions. Canadian flavor with bacon, Italian inspired with Parmesan, another Italian inspired flavor with pepperoni and tomato, and a Korean inspired version with cabbage and sesame oil. At home we make them with eggs and milk, which are hard to keep on a boat or camper without a fridge. We'll use a complete pancake mix that only needs to add water. No egg or milk needed, but make a great tasting pancake anyway. The buttermilk versions of this mix seem less sweet, so great for these savory tastes. We use bottled water since we don't trust Merino water. We want the mixture to be runny enough to be able to add a second layer of batter if needed. I would love it if you'd like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. The first flavor I'll call Canadian bacon, using pre-cooked bacon bits and chopped green onion. Pour out the pancake mix and let it cook a bit. Add the bacon bits, and the chopped green onion before flipping. It could get a bit messy. This one will actually taste good with that other great Canadian taste, maple syrup. Next is an Italian-inspired flavor with grated Parmesan cheese, oregano, and garlic. Pour out the pancake mix. Add grated Parmesan cheese. And oregano. And garlic. I'm using garlic powder because it's less work than cutting up a clove of garlic. Add a bit of batter on top to keep it all together before flipping. Tastes great right out of the pan. And then another Italian pizza-inspired version with tomato and pepperoni. Chop the tomatoes. Small ones will end up in less waste. Chop the pepperoni. Here, I'm using 1 packaged snack pepperoni. Pour out the pancake batter. And add green onion. Add the chopped tomato. And the chopped up pepperoni. Spice it up with grated Parmesan cheese and oregano. And some oregano. Add a bit of batter on top to keep it all together before flipping. Ready to eat right out of the pan. Finally, let's do a Korean-inspired cabbage pancake with sesame oil and soy sauce Brussels sprouts are just tiny, portion-controlled cabbages. Chop into small pieces, discard the hard core. Fry it in sesame oil to get that Asian taste. Fry the cabbage for about a minute. Add some green onion. Some garlic powder, and some soy sauce. Let it sizzle until the cabbage is soft. Pour the pancake mix on top of the veggies. Fry both sides. Enjoy, maybe with a dip of soy sauce.